Your job as a mentor, as coach, is for your students to end up being just as good as you as a trader, if not better. And it just shows you here what we're doing here at Trading College, guys. And our students here are getting so good at trading, it makes us very proud indeed. If you look at Mark here and Gary, Mark doing some cracking trades, 100 points up here on the DAX, but Gary here making 70 pips this morning, and on the euro sterling. I'm going to show you the setup in 1 second, and then the pound Swissy once again, over 100 points on that. So big day for those two guys, and we're just chatting to them this afternoon in our chat room, just going through some of these trades. And the euro sterling was a fantastic trade, it really was, and we're going to show you here. So remember, I always talk about the morning move, the golden hour in the markets. Okay, you want to take advantage of the golden hour. Here it is on the euro versus the Great British Pound. We had a trend predictor. So this was telling us that this and this could explode higher, could go higher. It's telling us the next candlestick is going to go up. So this is at 8 a.m. in the morning. So here you're looking for buy signals, looking for buy signals, looking for buy signals, all the way up, guys. Okay, and you can use a 5-minute chart, you can use a 15-minute chart to get into the trade. It really doesn't matter, as long as it's green. We're going to buy on green. The trend predictor here is this green arrow. It's telling us the next candlestick is going to go up. We're looking then for buy signals. We know we're going to go long. We ignore the reds, we ignore the short side trades on the pro trend system. We just take long side trades. Let's have a little look at the pound Swissy, which is on the other side. Let's dive into that one. That was an absolute cracker as well. You can see right here for the golden hour. So this is the 4 a.m. candlestick. We got the red arrow, send the next candlestick down, and then look at that big sell off there for a short. Okay, so this morning, not this one would have been the first signal, and then this one the second signal for a lovely. In fact, this one came a little bit later than the morning move, but it doesn't matter. Okay, we had a lovely move down here, and Gary done really, really well on these trades. Keep it simple, guys. Those early morning moves, you can get quite a few of those trades done before 9 a.m. before you start a day's work. And this is what we're looking for. The volatility in the morning, running our scanners, going through the same procedure every single day, looking for these big hot trades that are setting up. Trend predictor indicator gives you the direction of where it's going to go for the next 4 hours. And if you can take advantage of that direction, you've got an edge in the market. You can literally consistently make a very nice profit, managing risk, managing the profit targets and stop loss orders. You could do this very easily. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget, we got our Halloween offer. It might well have expired, but check out on our website any offer that is on there. Okay, so hope it helps, and I'll speak to you soon.